Adom FM. Adom FM. 106.3.
Papa na join me wa ha. Bema 10 gram pa. Arguably. Ehin eni ahofe adware ni yie pa. Wa join ye wo studio mu ha. Opani ka se be wa kwa ba o.
Ya son.
Na bibia boko de.
Adom.
Ene de.
Ene Adom.
Ene de.
Ene Adom.
Me da say.
Okay.
What is the secret behind your yellow and black?
It's a shirt.
It's a shirt.
Yeah.
That's the secret.
It's a delicacy.
How can a shirt be a delicacy?
Oh, it's my favorite.
It's your favorite, okay.
No, so when you say delicacy, it doesn't mean food.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It could mean anything.
It could mean anything and pop.
Okay.
Yo, Onia. Nsem Sisi.
Nsem Sisi.
Yeah. Monjani on Facebook. No akra no de ba no kra no eso sen no so de ba.
Na nim say we are fifth month na wu mo.
Yeah, me. The biggest month.
Papa.
The biggest month.
The fifth month is
the biggest month is May.
It's not a good
the
month.
Biggest month is May. No doubt about that.
It's not a good month.
The biggest month.
One
more ya wo mu May nyina no ja hwe mu yew.
Matrasi di ni mani atofo menye.
Oboa.
Enyo kra.
O ya month ben.
May a month. Black
yeah.
And some days is in a crowd me I am overwhelmed.
Me am to me who
and perturbed.
That's right.
So much infuriated.
Hey.
Because there are certain things that are happening. It is not comprehensible.
Sir.
It is not inculcatable.
Sir.
You can't inculcate it. In other words, it's not imitable.
Break it down, kakra.
Just as some way see out here saying ye.
Okay.
A bro adrin so.
Okay.
Which is consequence and tantamount to brain tumors.
Brofo.
A team was me your shit.
Me aware.
Etibra Facebook says here.
Adom 106.3 FM.
Exactly the
Facebook.
point.
Mungo
You
Facebook
hit
says
it
here.
well. Come on Facebook and see yourself.
Aware.
And them some yaro no and need that.
Papa.
And I'm between sumate on fine.
As well.
Jordan Sinkra come yomo fine.
I tell you.
I am serious. Now. Abaya. Bulletin number 1.
Okay.
Abaya din fie dun kron. 19 significant years.
Okay.
And about when Abaya na die.
Okay.
Now we did 19 years no. And now your friend is Margaret Adia. Eya Ikumu. Na Benue State, Nigeria. Anyway, war. Na Sabre, she has been perpetrated and apprehended.
Hey.
Sabre yashusha na chira kwan. Akwa akoche no.
Okay.
What made them arrest him? It's a good question. Okay, this is the answer. In fact, she was faking death. Was it wawu? Now, the word is a living creature who purport to be a demise soul, which is tantamount to criminal code
according
of
to
Nigeria.
Oh, okay.
Eti was any mami? Dodo. Ne papa wu agya no. Isuku a wakwa amanto ane so. Eno no tu kwan se wo kwa Nigeria kobo ne bra. Ana kwa she Lagos. She went into a sojourn in Lagos.
She went into what?
A sojourn.
A sojourn.
A sojourn.
Oh, chiremu saying.
A sojourn.
I now brought for you too technical.
A sojourn is a foreigner. And so a sojourn. Obi a watu bata.
Okay.
Ghana for what?
Okay.
Spain, Canada, America, they are sojourns.
Okay.
They are sojourns.
There's a bugger behind a sojourn.
Exactly. They are diasporic sojourns.
Okay.
It's one more diaspora. Sojourn. Na no na abaya isu ye sojourn ni bie. Na okoya no assist the biana ni mame. I was sapuno. To send me mobile money. Send me mobile money. Send me mobile money. And Abana say okay. And yes, she would do self-deliberate killing. Hey, non-existent demising.
I do idea was thrown to the from Kaka.
Mawusumingui.
Okay.
Artificial death.
Okay.
To compensate money demands.
Aye.
It is said by a young Srem Sikabium.
Sir.
Me, my main friend, and will create fake Facebook accounts. And I what they Najumura, Neba. A picture, as a profile.
Okay.
A profile picture.
Okay.
It was it was an and what throw obitually. A young picture, come on.
Hey.
So far, the black I say,
There be found any example.
to say,
Okay.
William and Kamu. Now, Mummy, you say, I am obitually.
There be
Now, post about fine.
Menka says your brain post.
Colored fine.
Okay.
Yana colored. Near the whatever to Facebook.
And what the other to Facebook as well.
And what share or share or share.
Oh, creative fear and panic.
Oh, creative fear and panic. So, woo. Eti abusafo woni krom hu ye o magiawu o magiawu magina ye deni amoma kwakoya ne funeral
ami abonsa
amabonsa enim say magi is dead and gone, he's a demise eso na magi to ye adwuma eti say no wo boy empna ena posifo no say ade ohwemu e come say magi is creating artificial death which is criminal.
Okay.
You can't say you are dead whilst you are living. It could be a living ghost among the living. So we must make sure we exonerate or deport the ghost from the living. They went into an interrogative exercise to ascertain what exactly is pertaining into the circumstances of the demise.
Hey! Bro,
after all the investigation, they could not find any phantom or any atomic empiricalations.
Hey!
Now that's the anymore. I was coming from the word empirical. Empirication. It comes from the word empirication. It is begotten. Exactly.
Hey!
And the positive comes an imprance again. Okay, the Cassano na no ye na ntwa ye. Yahwehwe mu ase na ganim wi.
Owuye.
Oya adwuma. E no mokwache no. Na posi for sabro mache no.
Ekwan bi aso.
Eso wo mugusu ye hwehwemu. Sa e de na wungu ye. E no se me ma me ho amedodo. Me ye adwuma kakra dia tram school so papa wi man to aso. E na mam sika. E kina mam sika. Me pieso am pieto ate. Me be shi tatete. Me ntoma tete. Ye duane nkwan ne nam nim. Worrying her with financial demands.
Okay.
Which can perpetuate heart attack and hypertension.
Okay.
Pressure brings hypertension.
Okay.
So when they put financial pressure on somebody, it can bring brain tumor.
Wow.
And also person
this is a miracle.
Or person who escape with tumor.
Charlie.
A positive watching, you see, whatever it is, you cannot lie.
Charlie, by a technical guy.
I'm a vocational boy.
Hey.
I am a vocational man.
Wow.
Now to the next agenda.
But before so the next agenda, no,
don't worry. It's a huge story here.
Don't worry. On Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM.
Now, 2 fetish priestess arrested and beaten mercilessly conventionally for preventing rain to fall. They are creating rain farming. Farming you come.
Okay.
So grammatically, it is constructed as rain farming.
Okay.
Rain farming is when there is drought. Season without rain is rain farming season.
Okay.
ATS are confused and one you doing. One more say, baby, your friend is a year Georgie. Penny, I will cut enough. Here is in Ghana. I will vote a region. Now, your sisters one more way, and so many I know my question bosom. This man who sends you, I know my question bosom. And also a question, the no more country. Sign. They try to be opposition to rainfall. In other words, they are anti-raining. Anti-rainers.
Wow.
It is so many I start country. But
this is serious.
For so many couples of executive months, there has been no rain, not even a dripple or a nipple of water.
A nipple.
A nipple of
nipple.
When you say a nipple, it is a round dotted obstacle or substance. So when rain is falling in a round and dotted way, it's a nipple of water.
Hey, bro, for English teacher. Hey, Charlie.
Areas they were monitoring consciously and superconsciously. The subconscious was activated towards the priestess.
That's right.
To ascertain whether they are the cause or the causative agents of the farming of routes. Causative agents. It is the cause of something.
That's
In
right.
the breakdown, it is the agent of a cause. Causative agent.
Causative agent.
So when you have malaria, the doctor will ascertain the causative agent of the malaria, and it will triple into the background of the malaria to be headache.
Okay, so where does the plasmodium come in?
The plasmodium is in the placenta.
Okay. Hey, Charlie.
So therefore,
I
tell you, when we use mercilessly for adjective clause, they beat them mercilessly, humiliated them publicly. And we say how? And so on talk kremu. Someone and we say chire. As a woman soon talk. And so starting munanuma country. Then so to you feature kuratutu and was ya and soon talk. And when we see woman black eye, they beat them. They ship them.
That's right.
Butu wamu. Wana sum no ama baniyam. Butu we no wama kikawamu. So na sum sisam tadiem. Bufa so kuya gingria. Go. Chese. Yom basa. And no possible by timely intervention. But when they came, they were absolutely and arguably late.
That's
So
right.
the beating had already ended. So whether they came or not, there had been a merciless beating.
Okay.
As Abreno.
Okay.
And we are asking the question, say, as to whether supposed to be spiritual or not, because it's a spiritual matter, and you cannot persecute spiritual matter. How can you interpret the spirit matter?
Sa. And mum the court the other where they call.
The chief inspector never did not is a better issue.
Yeah.
If you remember the Brona Yajuma, a Brona take place. As is a court to say, now, Blackie.
Yeah.
This young man. Watching you na bullet makumaku 4 or the good the tenant
Can you imagine?
I can't just ascertain.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
I can't imagine.
Now when you say you bo honko no the good you.
Oh, where again?
Or the ba consult to say no what targeting the private part.
Oh God.
It you want anchor the private part and I can't. Nesrani inside the hall. Say no show baby I didn't bow to say no targeting the man.
Tie bulletin.
No what targeting
so
the man.
So the man was making dispersed shooting. Dispersed shooting.
I person say it's sporadic.
It's not sporadic.
Okay.
It's not sporadic.
All right.
It is a dispersed shooting. You shoot across and it will spread.
Okay.
Like I'm shooting you right now. I'll target your face, but some will come to your knee.
Okay.
It spread.
Okay.
The bullet was dispersed.
And you know, because you say you're close range,
it was penetrative.
On Facebook.
So go and watch the video.
Monko Facebook says here, didn't you to Facebook? Yeah, your Facebook page. So yeah, Adom 106.3 FM. Whatever report you're padding him.
He doesn't look attractive.
Oh.
The demeanor alone.
The demeanor, no?
Yes.
He's
a naturally beautiful, handsome man. But the demeanor is not handsome.
If you're never papa dia.
Also on one dia.
On one dia.
On one it in the fear.
On one dia.
On no din dia.
On no de dia na hain.
Or a bugger. And what you na Bosren
Monjani on Facebook. I Adom 106.3. Monjani on Facebook right now.
Bosren, Okoya movie Kurano. Or the 2 million Nako. Yes, okay, 2 million.
Can you imagine? I don't say Rambo 2. I do Rambo 2.
Anna,
Missing in Action Part 1.
Exactly.
Missing in Action Part 1. Rambo Part 1.
Anna Crawlers.
And anyway, the way they were commander, I'm not Schwarzenegger.
I'm not okay.
I'm not Schwarzenegger.
And I just say, what couldn't rough off?
Can you imagine?
It is not imaginable.
Shani Tibi.
Oh, many not them.
Shani Mumma be.
Many not them.
Shani Tibi.
Oh.
Shani Tibi.
It is bad.
Shani Tibi.
Now, Black, yay. Before I left my leave.
Shani Hinibi.
Oh.
Shani Mumma Ting TV.
Oh, too. Oh, too.
They be 20. It's when they say Ghana Police Service for Ajay.
Ebian in your tumpo.
To
have 2 minutes, you can have 3. Yes, in your law for Christ,
but Obi Bisa said, has he worked with some radio station in Accra before? Or Obi Abu radio station in the and
who has worked with
Obi Bisa? Has he worked on the station before?
The killer.
The killer.
How can he work with the radio? He works with gun.
How can you?
He works with gun.
Nana Kosi Ajimadi free till you say Terminator 1.
Terminator 1.
I didn't hear Terminator 1.
Terminator 1.
Terminator 1. And I will say Rambo. Monjani on Facebook, number who be on one saying and home kasa. Can you imagine? Obviously Rambo rather.
It's not perturbed though. The law will take it course as and when it is.
Now, Monjani on Facebook is I find a few have the more.
Exactly.
I find a few have the more.
Exactly.
Monjani on Facebook, yes, Saka Hawk
I am so perturbed.
Etinonia, Mammy, pub one show.
Then what do you mean?
Mammy, pub one show.
There be you me a Matiato.
There be my yasho.
Oh, Matiato. Size 43, size 22.
There be size 43.
33 is too big for me.
43 close.
Mr. 22,
and I'm 43 open.
Mr. 22.
Open and close.
Close.
Hey, and you
22 is close. The woman somewhere them.
Bepacho, maybe even pub wash show. Na ma ye hofu kakra kapa ye nya no ofia hey mano akwaba e fama ye Adom 106.3 for monjani on Facebook ye nya hofu kase pa
mi akwaba me ma
ye nya hofu kase pa e ofia monjani on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM etino
Oberempong CP. This is why I draw the curtain down.
Chale monjani on Facebook
Facebook na be he woni so ade.
That's right. It
is so I saw.
I tell you.
It is I saw.
Apeni my hoho na kwa ba ni enkwani.
Do that for me.
Oh, my hoho na kwa.
Do that. Without the vocabulary I want to use. They are not edited for now.
Okay. What do you mean by that?
Oh, the vocabulary. It is still under the authority of the editorial.
I said you made me one day.
Oh, me batu wa.
And yenya hoho.
Oh, frame. Okay, me.
Semi ede.
Ose.
Semi ede.
Blackberry.
Why we?
Yeah.
It's too sorry so I don't. Oh, my hoho na kwa ba. When your hoho will feel man na kwa ba. Oh, sorry.
A fortnight.
A fortnight.
A fortnight.
You fortnight.